So let's invite those people in the room. Let's listen to those people, who are really specialized on those topics, and they are the decision makers. They are executive level people who really shaping, this revolution. So here we are. We will listen during these 2 days from you all in the room.
I look forward to the conversations and collaborations that will emerge from this remarkable gathering of highly intelligent people. So enjoy the conference, enjoy Dublin, and safe flying. Go raibh míle maith agat.